Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. I am a licensed physical therapist here in Middletown, Ohio, and today I am talking to you about this floor lift chair. So you've seen on my channel, I primarily help individuals who have had a total knee replacement, and one of the most frustrating, challenging things for someone after a knee replacement is either getting down on the ground or getting up. I get a lot of questions about, well, what happens if I fall? What happens if I trip? What happens if I just slide off the couch? We had a situation recently where an individual was at home in the bathroom, was trying to transition from an elevated commode to a transport chair, and unfortunately they ended up down on the ground. So a chair like this is designed to easily be maneuvered into position so the individual can slide over, get on the seat, and be lifted safely, calmly, quietly, and without having to call the paramedics. This is great for non-emergency falls. This is great for somebody who just has a hard time getting down. So I'm going to show you. I've already recorded an unboxing video, but basically we have this handheld device that plugs into the motor behind the machine. This is rechargeable. The machine comes with a cord that you can use to recharge. If I come in, I take a seat. This raises to 22 inches off the floor. There are arms that will come down to help provide security. And this particular unit also comes with a little bit of a safety harness or a belt, so that if you're helping somebody that has a little bit of trunk control issues, you can harness them in. The non-skid soft padded seat is a game changer. It makes it so comfortable. Some of the other lift chairs are hard plastic. They become slippery. They're hard to maneuver. This soft padded seat makes it really enjoyable. And it's really simple. There's 3 buttons. There's a stop, there's a start, an up and a down. So if I press the down button, so now what's happening is I'm going down. If I let go, it stops. I can hold the down button. It's lowering me slow. It's about a 90-second descent from the highest level to the ground floor level. So let's speed up the video and I'll talk to you once I'm on the ground. Okay. 90 seconds. I am down on the ground. I can remove the armrest if I'm getting down intentionally to do stuff like playing with my grandchildren or the puppies or just getting down to clean the baseboards. I can now from here slide off the device. I can move around, do what I need to do, and then of course when I'm ready to get back to a standing position, I can come back over, bring the armrest down. I can buckle myself in for safety. And now we're just going to press and hold the up button. The seat is rated to handle up to 440 pounds of body weight. The seat is, again, very comfortable, padded seat. I think that most users would feel secure. You wouldn't feel like you're going to slide or slip out of the seat, especially when you're in the lower position like some of the other lift chairs. All right, 90 seconds. I'm in the up position. I can go ahead and release the buckle. I can place the hand controller on the floor, and from here I can lean forward and stand.